Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new Orlando vlog series. Yay! Oh my god, I cannot believe I am actually saying that again. We are heading to Orlando, Florida for 2 weeks today. I am so beyond excited. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lauren and thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're back watching one of my videos, thank you so much for tuning back in. I really hope everyone does enjoy this vlog series. Definitely do subscribe because like I said, we're heading to Orlando. We're going for 2 weeks, so we have so many amazing videos coming up and I know that you definitely don't want to miss them. So we are going to Orlando with my sister Holly and my mum and my dad. Me and Holly are doing all the Disney parks and all of the Universal parks, including Epic Universe, which I am so excited about. I can't believe it's finally open. It opened officially 2 weeks ago, so we're kind of like one of the first set of the general public to get to see it. So I can't wait. I can't wait to see Super Nintendo World. I think that's what I'm most excited about. And of course, I'm so excited for Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios. I'm dying for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, because if you did see our 2022 vlog series, it broke down and we never actually got to do it, which I was raging about. So I think this is top of our list in Disney. But we are staying in Avanti International Resort on International Drive. This is our first time staying here, so I will try my best to do a room tour and maybe a bit of a resort tour one of the days if I get a chance. It's in a perfect location on International Drive. It's kind of right in the middle. That is why we chose it, because we do like staying there, especially because our mum and dad are not coming to the parks with us this time. They really like International Drive for all the shops and restaurants and stuff, so it's like a nice little happy medium. Yeah, we are heading to the airport soon. We're going to go for breakfast on our way. We are going from Dublin to Orlando with Aer Lingus, so I'll try my best to show you guys a bit of the flight and a bit of the airport. I always say that and then I never get to show anything in the airport because I feel like it's always a rush. But I will show you guys breakfast. I think we're just going to go somewhere up here where we live, because the food in the airport, honestly, it's not that nice, and I think it's going to be busy because it is still the bank holiday weekend. So yeah, I am really excited. I am going to just finish packing my backpack and get the last few bits organized. But yeah, let's go to Orlando. Yay! Right guys, we're just having breakfast now. I got like a little small breakfast. We all basically got the same thing. Everyone's just digging in. I'm just videoing it on my phone, so if it looks different, that's why. In the airport now, and I want to pick up some Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This one over there in the shade 4 medium, that's the one that I use, and I've none left. But I'm like just having a little nosy because Charlotte Tilbury is actually cheaper in the airport than other shops. Even though it's not really discounted, there is a bit of a, like, it is a bit cheaper. Okay guys, we are now on the flight to Orlando. I am so excited. That airport like literally went by so quick. The check-in was so quick, pre-clearance was so quick, and then by the time we got to the gate, we only had to sit down for like 20 minutes and it was time to go, so it was so handy. But we are just on board now. We should be taking off in the next 5 or 10 minutes. I am so excited. I will try and show you guys as much as I can on like what food I get. I'm not sure what I'm going to eat yet. I'm kind of picky on planes anyway as it is, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're on board now. I am in row 4, so I paid for an upgrade. I just really wanted it for the seat more than anything else, and just to like lie down and watch movies. So I have all my snacks with me as well, so I'll just be stacking away as if I'm in the cinema. But yeah, super excited, and let's go to Orlando. Okay guys, so my first movie of the flight is E.T. I haven't seen this movie in probably like 2 or 3 years, and because we're going to Florida, I feel like it is necessary. So yeah, first movie. So this was my seat when I got onto the flight, and the crew gave me a glass of champagne. Then straight after takeoff, they came out with a little snack. It was onion and cheese biscuits, I think, with an onion jam. That was actually really nice, and I just had a crispy Coke Zero, which was so needed. For starters, I had carrot soup with a bread roll and a salad. I don't even like carrots, but that soup was to die for. I didn't eat the salad, I just didn't bother. Then for mains, I had the chicken pasta from economy just because I'm picky and I knew I wouldn't eat anything from business. And then for dessert, I had a strawberry mousse and a cup of tea. This was 10 out of 10. Hey guys, we're like halfway through the flight. I'm literally in the toilet. I did this in Dubai as well. Why do I keep doing this? But the food was so nice. I videoed it all on my phone. It was just easier because my phone was in my hand. So I probably would have had a voiceover on that. But food was 10 out of 10. Service was 10 out of 10. And I would highly recommend doing the business class service if you get the chance to. But we've had about 5 hours left now. I think I'm going to have a nap. I watched this big movie for an ET, which were both really good. I've never seen this big movie before, so it was so good. Yeah, I think I'm going to lie down because I'm getting a bit tired now and I'm going to be refreshed for when we get there to go for a bit of food. Hey guys, a bit of time has passed and I'm going to have my little snacks. I brought a packet of minis and some milk chocolate flips. I love these. These are my favourite flavour and I think I'm going to watch Wicked. We are nearly in Orlando. There's about an hour and a half left before we land. This flight has gone by so quickly. It's been so comfortable, so smooth. I've just had a really good time. I've watched Wicked, Despicable Me 4, and what else did I watch? Oh, E.T. So I've just been chilling, having a nap, eating my snacks. It's been great so far, and we'll be there soon. And I think we're having planned to go to Miller's for dinner tonight. That's our traditional first meal when we get to Orlando. So fingers crossed that we do. I'm literally looking so rough right now. I can't feel like the tan line and everything. Oh, so bad. But yeah, I just wanted to say, really enjoying the flight so far. Okay guys, and for my snack before landing, we've got some popcorn chicken with rice, a cup of tea, buffet roll, I think that's a carrot cake, a little muffin, and yeah, it looks really nice actually. The popcorn chicken, it looks so crispy, so I'm dying to try this. We have finally made it. We are in Orlando. Oh my god, what a day it has been. It's been about 11 hours now since kind of getting to the airport and then getting here. I am so beyond excited. The weather is looking okay. It's a bit grey, so hopefully it doesn't rain. What a lovely flight I had. The food was delicious. The crew were so nice. I watched so many movies. I was just so comfortable the whole time. I'm just waiting on Holly to come out of the toilet now, and then we're gonna go and get our bags. But yeah, I'm just super excited, and when we get to the hotel I will try and do a room tour. Okay guys, we made it to the hotel. It is now 20 to 9. I'm trying to check. Yeah, 20 to 9. We landed around 7, I think. The bags took so long to come out. Like, we were an hour waiting on bags, and they came out like 3 bags at a time, and all our bags all came out at separate times. So yeah, it was pure bright out when we landed, and now it's pitch black outside. So we're just checking in now, and we're gonna drop our bags to our room, go to Miller's, and then I'll probably do a room tour. I'm starting to get tired now because of all that waiting around on bags and stuff. Like, it was genuinely a bit of a nightmare, so I'm really looking forward to getting a nice crispy Coke Zero into me and maybe some chicken wings. I've already checked the bus times for Universal. I have to check the times for Disney because they weren't there. We still don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We have to decide, but I just cannot believe we are here. Like, do you know that feeling when the heat hits you at the door when you walk out of the airport? Like, it was just, it hit you. It was unreal. So yeah, I genuinely, I keep saying it, but I cannot believe that we are here. Okay guys, we have made it to our room. So we're staying in Avanti International Resort. We've got 2 double beds. This is me and Holly's room, and then we have like this whole like desk area, and you come along here. We've got a big flat screen TV, some areas for bags, some areas to put your clothes. Then we've got like a whole wardrobe area. I'm trying to see, I wonder if there's a mini fridge. Oh, there is actually. I'll come back over in a second. So then we've got this whole like vanity area kind of just outside the toilet. This is nice and big actually. We've got the sink. Yeah, we've got the sink here. The lighting's really good. There's another mirror here and a hairdryer. And then we've got the toilet in here. Turn the light on. That's a nice shower actually. Yeah, it's like walk-in, like like free fall kind of shower vibes. So yeah, and then when we come back down here, there's like the little mini fridge area. Oh, there's a microwave as well. Gas. I doubt it. I was gonna say there's a bottle of water in there. Holly's after putting that there. We've got like aircon, and then we have a pool view. We've actually got a really nice view, haven't we? Yeah, it's really nice. So this is our pool view here. We're literally on like the 2nd floor, so kind of just like the 1st floor up. There's like a little beachy area like where you can play volleyball, and then the pool is huge, and there's like people all in the pool, and it's like 9 o'clock at night. I actually love it, and the bar and grill is still open. I really like this hotel. This is our first time staying here, so I keep you updated as we stay, how we get on. But this is such a lovely little area, and like the sand is going like the whole way down, so it's proper like little beach vibes as well. But we are gonna sort ourselves out and go for food. Guys, we are just coming up to our favorite place for food, Miller's Ale House. Like I said earlier, this is our traditional first stop on all our Orlando holidays. Didn't go as planned last time. We ended up in Dave & Buster's because there was no tables, so I'm really hoping there's a table this time because I am craving it. We're in Miller's, and Deo got his bucket of beer that he's been dreaming of. Will that be up on the TikTok? There he is there. God.
Oh, you little beauty.
So he got himself some Bud Light and Coors. Oh well, the two of them got them between each other.
That's beautiful.
I feel like you haven't even introduced, I haven't introduced you to the vlog series, so say hi. This is Shillo, who you all know and love from Disney. And then you haven't seen Deo since last year's holiday in Tenerife, which I haven't edited yet actually. So Croatia. And everyone knows who Holly is because she comes everywhere. And me and Holly got fizzies. So I got a Coke Zero, Holly got a Sprite. We're literally parched. And we got 3 zinger melts with 3 different flavours. So I will show you guys them. Right guys, we got our food in Miller's. We got 3 zinger mountain melts. Look at that absolute size of these. I got medium, well we're sharing. This is garlic parm, and my dad got honey barbecue, was it?
Honey.
Yeah. Very nice. So yeah, we are gonna dig into this. We are literally in our happy place right now. Guys, we're just in Walgreens, and look at this cute Mickey Mouse set. I think they're pajamas because like they're beside all these Stitch pajamas. Now this shirt is $30, but isn't it so cute? And then it has like matching shorts or bottoms. I don't know, I really love the shirt. It's so nice. We've also got the 2025 Disney t-shirts. If you've been to Florida, then you know a lot of people wear these. I swear we have ones from 2010. They're actually nice souvenirs to have. So cute. Holly has spotted the little Minnie Mouse ears selection. Like a tenner, that's really good.
Yeah.
They're cute.
They actually are.
Yeah, they're really nice. I think Leanne has a like,
pair of something like
yeah, the real ones. And I like kind of them as well. They're nice. I've never seen these Jolly Rancher ropes before. They're like what do they call at home, like laces or something like that. I'd say they'd be quite nice because like blue raspberry and cherry, they're probably my 2 favourite flavours. But they have all of like Swedish fish, Sour Patch and all that kind of boxes of sweets for 3 for $5. I think they used to be $1 each, but 3 for $5 actually isn't too bad. This is literally the only thing that we came in here for, was a bottle of water, because there's no way we're carrying stuff up the road tonight. So yeah, this is all we are purchasing. Right guys, we are now back in the room and we are absolutely exhausted. Holly is literally tucked up in her bed and everything. I'm just out of the shower. I feel a bit fresher. I literally felt rotten. Do you know when you get off a plane and you feel all sticky? So I'm all fresh and ready for bed. I don't even know what time it is at home. Like right now it's past midnight. It's 10 past midnight. I think we're gonna get up around 20 past half 9ish. I think the plan of action for tomorrow is to go up to Universal. So yeah, like I said, sleep till maybe half 9, and then I think there's a bus at 11:45. So I think we're gonna try get that one. That's so late for us actually. I'm so surprised. So like this is like a lie-in for us. Go us. So yeah, hopefully if we have to book onto the bus, and they're there from 7 till 11 a.m. is what the girl on the phone said. So I'll go down in the morning and try to get us onto that bus, and then I have to inquire about the buses to Disney, because they do free shuttle buses to the Disney parks as well. So yeah, that is right now the plan for tomorrow, unless that changes. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone who has watched this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, especially if you're planning a trip to Orlando and maybe thinking about staying in this hotel. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I will try and show more of the resort one of the days when we're having a pool day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll stop rambling on because I'm actually so tired, and I will talk to you guys in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.